Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to delete the administration and standard account in Windows 11. First, you need to go to the Start button here. Click on Start button, go to the settings. After opening the settings, you have to go to the Accounts option. After clicking on Accounts, you have to go to the Other Users option. Click on Other Users and you can see the user accounts here. As you can see, the one is a standard account. By dropping the window, you can see it's a standard account and another is an administrator account. So first we need to delete this standard account. As you can see, here is the option remove. Click on option remove and this will tell you that you are deleting the person's account. You have to accept it by clicking delete account and data. After that, you have to go to this another administration account. Go to that, again click on remove option. Click on remove and do the same thing. Click on delete account and data, and as you can see, the both of the datas are deleted. So I hope this video was useful. If it was useful, then please like and share this video and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.